New updates have appeared in VizMaker. Among them, one of the most important updates is the VEO engine from Google, which can generate audio and create really very realistic video. It is perfect for designers to create home tour videos. Let's see what can be done here.
Welcome to this beautiful house. The interior of this residence is incredible. Come in with me. Here we have a beautiful kitchen. Just look around.
How did we do it? We started with the source image. Later, in Nano Banana, we added a woman. Then we generated another shot, and from these two shots, we made the first video.
Welcome to this beautiful house.
And we did a close-up on the woman. Next video.
The interior of this residence is incredible. Come in with me.
Then we moved to the interior. Inside, we added the same woman, placing her where we needed. Sometimes a bit more trial is needed to choose exactly where she should be located. We often also point with an arrow to indicate where the woman should be positioned to make it easier to place her. Then we made a video. There were also a few attempts here. The last attempt was this recording.
Here we have a beautiful kitchen. Just look around.
And from all of this, we have this kind of recording. In VizMaker, there are several engines available for creating videos. Kling and Seedance are cheaper engines, perfect for creating recordings where we have traditional camera movement without sound. Sora 2 is a competitor to VO 3.1. It can also create sound, but in our opinion, it is of slightly lower quality. Nevertheless, it is also slightly cheaper than VOE 3.1. In the latest updates, we also added integration with 3ds Max from version 2021 to 2026. So if you want to install any version, you select it and click OK. We also added the option to purchase credits not only through a subscription, but also in separate packages. If you want to use it, I encourage you to do so. You can try VizMaker, and if you have any questions, write to us. We are happy to help resolve any doubts.
I was gonna eat something, but I need to test VizMaker.